In this video, you will learn how to add a bank account to Payoneer. First, log in. Log into your Payoneer account, open the Payoneer website, then sign in using your credentials. Go to the bank account section. From the main menu, click on settings, then click bank accounts. Select account type. Decide if you're adding the bank for personal withdrawal or paying someone else. For personal use, select your account tab. For business payments, select receipt accounts. Click add bank account. Hit the add bank account button to begin entering your details. Enter your bank details. Provide the required information, such as your bank's country and currency, your bank name, account number, routing number, bank account type, such as shaving or checking account, account holder's name, such as your name, and submit and wait for approval. Once submitted, Payoneer will review your bank account. Approval can take up to 2 to 3 business days. You will get a confirmation email when it is approved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.